Hey everybody, my name is Dowden. In this 2-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use sidechain compression on your return tracks for a much cleaner mix. Let's go ahead and jump into it. The benefit of sidechain compressing in your return tracks is because you have your lead or your vocal or your drums going through the channel. They're not being clouded up by reverbs and delays because they can muddy up your track and muddy up your instruments. But if you're not sidechain compressing, you still can get that muddiness from overlapping those instruments and those frequencies. So what we're going to do is go into my lead here on this new remix that I'm doing. And here's a lot of reverb and delay on that, and I have it sent to a reverb track right here, the synth reverb, and then I have this lead delays return track. So on the synth delay track, I have my replica, which is a delay plugin, and then I also have a compressor, and that compressor is compressing when my original notes are hitting. So I have the lead sound here, and I want that delay, but I don't want the delay to be overlapping. So let's turn off the sidechain compression, and let's hear the difference between having the sidechain compression on and off. And back with on. So to me, is a pretty substantial difference. With the sidechain compression on, we're making room for our lead instrument to punch through the delayed signal. We want our focus on that lead and the main sounds that are coming through. And if we have too much delay and reverb on top of that, we're going to lose the clarity of that sound. By using this sidechain compression, I am effectively pushing down the delayed signal to make room for the lead signal. And we're going to do that again on the reverb. So I'm going to show you how to do that with the reverb as well. Compressor, drag and drop it onto my return track into sidechain mode, and I'm going to take the audio from the lead. So right here, number 12, and then we're going to turn it down like this, just like we do with regular sidechain compression. And I'm not afraid to squish it quite a bit because we do have a lot of reverb going on here. So we still have that reverb on the tail end, but we don't have it as much when the rest of the sounds are playing, and we're giving ourselves more room to work with inside of our lead. It's going to sound much clearer over the entire mix. Let's listen to it with the delay and the reverb with the sidechain compression on and off in the context of the rest of the mix. Without compression. And with sidechain compression. Just to recap, we want to be sidechain compressing our return tracks from the sound that we are sending through to the return track so that we're giving the original sound the room to breathe in the mix. Definitely dial into taste, but generally speaking, I like to dial in quite a bit of sidechain compression so I have just the original sound coming through. But of course, every track is different. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up.